Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Mo and you are welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. Today I will talk about some newly launched products and I have skincare, hair care and body care. इसमें से कुछ recent launches है और कुछ उतने भी recent नहीं है लेकिन उतने पुराने भी नहीं है. जो भी हो काइंडली कंसिडर कर लीजिएगा. वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा, हेल्पफुल लगेगा तो लाइक कीजिएगा एंड काइंडली सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल इफ यू वांट टू हियर ओनली ऑनेस्ट रिव्यूज. Starting with this moisturizing balm toner by Belif. A creamy toner, and I'm quite disappointed with this product. First of all, you are getting that much quantity for at around 900 rupees. कितना भी सेल रहे, you will not be able to buy it less than 750 क्योंकि Belif के products उतने ऑफर में नहीं रहते. Secondly, it has denatured alcohol as its second ingredient after water. Matlab alcohol here is one of the major solvent. Yes, it has some ingredients that are good for our skin, but it also has a bunch of essential oil. Now, my skin does not react pretty bad with essential oils, but I know there are so many people who prefer to avoid essential oil. चलो वो भी मान लेते हैं. But it has a bunch of perfuming agent. Why? The texture is good, not too light, neither too heavy. Something that people with oily skin can appreciate it as a moisturizer, summer maybe. But the ingredient list sucks. Black Rice Probiotic Barrier Essence by Haru Haru. To me, this is a moisturizer disguised in a toner bottle or an essence bottle. It looks and feels on your skin like a concentrated rich buffalo milk that has less hydration quality and more nourishing quality. The application time is quite short because it sinks pretty fast. और absorption होने के बाद आपको लगेगा आप कोई लाइट वेट बट नरिशिंग चीज यूज कर रहे हो. So whatever skin type you belong to, oily ho ya dry, if you face dehydration issue, it will not satisfy the hydration urge of your skin. It doesn't leave any greasy or oily finish, but if you fall into congestion prone skin, don't use it too much, don't use it daily. I have two more creamy toners, but before that I want to talk about the eye cream from Haru Haru, which I am in love with. पैकेजिंग बोलिए, टेक्सचर बोलिए, एप्लीकेशन बोलिए, इफेक्ट बोलिए, फिनिश बोलिए. It reminds me of eye butter by Claire's, but I think I love it little more than Claire's. Pastries के ऊपर जो क्रीम रहते हैं ना, it has that lightweight but fluffy kind of cloud-like nourishing texture. It hydrates, moisturizes, nourishes all these three, but in a lightweight way. It doesn't really look extra nourishing, but it keeps your eye area so good for a pretty long time. It has bakuchiol, a pregnancy-safe retinol alternative. Then it has rice extract, ginseng extract, and wheat amino acid. So not just the texture, I love the ingredients here as well. Vitamin B12 Creamy Toner by Minimalist, or their pink toner. I decided to talk about it because I think I understood it. ये क्या है और ये क्या कर सकता है वो मैं समझ चुकी हूँ. Texture and thickness of this product is very similar to Fay Beauty Creamy Toner. But unlike Fay Beauty, it doesn't mattify your skin. It hydrates and little bit moisturizes. Summer में जो gel based moisturizer हम use करते हैं, it is little more hydrating than them, but it has less hydration locking quality than them. Perfect for oily to combination skin. अगर winter में भी आपका oily to combination skin रहेगा, only then you can layer it twice and it will be your moisturizer and toner in a single step. My skin becomes dry during winter time and it keeps my skin okay for 2 hours. After that I can feel the stretch. मतलब ये long hours तक hydration lock करके नहीं रखता है for normal to dry skin because the fats here are quite watered down. It's a barrier repairing formula, but I would suggest you to take it for maintaining a healthy barrier and not repairing because it's a toner. The actives here are quite watered down. Rice Milky Toner by Plum. I forgot that bottle in my in-laws house, इसीलिए मैं आपको वो दिखा नहीं पा रही हूँ. But that product and that product, they look, feel and smell almost same. Ingredients में अंतर है and experience on my skin उसमें अंतर है. That one I could use it almost every time. I did not experience any issue, but with this one I couldn't use it. And I was not shocked about it क्योंकि मेरा स्किन ना प्लम के राइस रेंज के साथ उतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करता है. That's perfectly normal. Still I started using it every day and 3 दिन के बाद ही I saw some rashes on my skin. It looks like some reaction. So I stopped using it, and then I started using it like 2 days chhod ke, and I did not use it close to my skin. Just before my moisturizer, I spray it all over my face, and that's how it works well. Remember, ये जितना watery है उतना ही oily है. मतलब जितना hydrating लगता है in the beginning उतना ही nourishing होता है. After that, watery part gets absorbed. Fig cleansing oil from Amfrom. I think their entire fig line is for exfoliation purpose, and this is an exfoliating cleansing oil which does exfoliate. When I apply it all over my face and I spend good amount of time in circulating mainly on those specific areas, I see some tiny particles on my hand, and after rinsing it feels like I have applied a mild AHA based products. The consistency is watery like, it has a mild fragrance which I enjoy. It's not cheap, but the quantity is good and the performance is superb. Black Tea Deep Infusing Toner by Pyung Kang Yul. The packaging looks very posh and the bottle is quite heavy, so not ideal for traveling purpose. The serum is quite popular than this one, but I prefer to pick this one because first of all, the concentration difference of black tea in between the toner and the serum is not that huge, and they also added a colorant in the serum, so it looks like a tea and it is completely colorless. And thank God I did it. The texture doesn't look like a serum or even an essence. It's more like a jelly serum, but it bursts into water the moment it hits your skin. It spreads really nicely and it finishes with a lightweight but anhydrous finish. Very similar to first treatment essence. I'm talking about the finish feels like applying a first treatment essence. It has fermented black tea extracts, ginseng extract, ceramide, acetyl hexapeptide 8 or argiline aka Botox in a bottle, a treatment toner or a good companion during your peptide or retinol day. Triple Oat Serum by Aveeno, a lightweight hydrating lotion kind of serum that moisturizes, exfoliates gently and also repairs your skin barrier. It has a very good spreadability, so 1 to max 2 pumps you need to cover from here to chest, not even neck. इतने अच्छे से फैलता है. It feels very silky while applying. It's lightweight but very moisturizing. Keep it in your mind. People got oily to combination skin. If you are planning to get it, start it when the weather is already comfortable because it takes a little bit of time to get used to. This lip balm from Aveeno. It looks like a normal chapstick, but it is very efficient. It is lightweight, but it repairs lip with responsibility. If you have a tendency to lick your lips too much, it won't be long lasting. But the time when you don't lick your lips, like while sleeping, use it and it repairs your lip overnight. अगर आप ऐसे लिप बाम पसंद करते हो जो चुप चुप के काम करेगा, this is for you. Gentle Hydrating Creamy Face Wash from Pink Foundry. ये फोम अप करता है बट उसके लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए. I did not enjoy this face wash because what is the point of using a face wash if it doesn't balance out my sebum production or sebum distribution? I know oily skin वालों को भी less stripping cleanser use करना चाहिए and I'm completely okay with face washes that lather. हर बार use करने के टाइम अगर मुझे लगेगा कि what is the point of using? Now let's move on to our body care and hair care, and I will be starting with this shower cream by Oriflame. I'm a big fan of their body scrub. अच्छे से काम भी करता है and that smells really good, but this one smells even better. Imagine freshly cut peach and pear, then some warm smelling yellow flower and fresh smelling white flower. And you are squeezing honey on them. और थोड़ा floral nectar भी उसके साथ गिर रहा है and some warm sun rays are hitting them. It smells exactly like that. It is creamy, moisturizing but not overly moisturizing. Perfect to be used even during summertime. This is a gorgeous smelling product and I'm planning to get the hand cream just for the smell. I like the name. Oh, so pistachio. Body lotion by Plum. To me, this is a summer appropriate body lotion because first of all, the texture is creamy, nourishing, but I think it is little less lightweight than their vanilla caramel body lotion. The smell is also a summer gourmand. Yes, it smells like pistachio ice cream, but not as sweet as ice cream. More like a flavor. इमेजिन कीजिए कि आप कोई पिस्ताशियो फ्लेवर का प्रोटीन शेक खरीद रहे हैं, a less sweetened dessert, and the pistachio here is also not superly nutty, it's little fluffy. It also has some flirty nuances going on in the background. Together, I think it goes perfectly with some summer appropriate fruity florals, slightly girly flirty fragrances. Body Glazed Milk by 52 Sundays with SPF 50 plus and PA 4 pluses. I already made a separate dedicated video on all 3 sunscreens from this brand. इस वीडियो में अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो इसके बाद आप देख लीजिएगा. Take it just as a sunscreen and not as a body lotion because it doesn't provide any long-lasting hydration or moisturization. Rather, it slightly mattifies after absorption, and that's really good. Sounds pretty good for summertime. It has no white cast because it is a complete chemical sunscreen. It has some new generation sunscreen filters, but it also has some old generation not so good केमिकल फिल्टर्स. मेनली दिस ऑक्टोक्रायोलिन, ये खुद एक यूवी फिल्टर है और ये एवोबेंजोन को स्टेबलाइज करने में भी हेल्प करता है, बट अंडर हीट एंड लाइट इट डिग्रेड्स इनटू अ कार्सिनोजेनिक कंपाउंड नेम बेंजोफेनॉन. तो सेफ्टी इशू का थोड़ा मैटर होता है. चॉइस आपका है. Mighty Hair Oil by Moxie Beauty, and hair oil that you will apply all over your hair and you leave it for 30 minutes to 2 hours and not more than that, and then you wash your hair with shampoo, not just water rinse. The smell is quite off-putting. Imagine coconut cookies with little bit of नीलगिरी का तेल. वो smell मैं फिर भी tolerate कर लेती, but I did not enjoy this one. First of all, the texture is thick, little thicker than coconut oil, so multiple washes are needed to cast it away. Secondly ना मुझे इससे कुछ फर्क नहीं दिखा. ये ना कोई स्कैल्प रिलेटेड इशू को सॉल्व करता है और ना कि स्ट्रैंड रिलेटेड इशू को सॉल्व करता है. My Mundi with this one and without this one, no change. Scalp Serum by Dove. I purchased it twice because I love how it looks, how it feels, how it works, and how it smells. If you fall into that dangerous combination that you have oily scalp, dry hair, curly hair, heavy hair, you sweat a lot and you stink a lot, you are the perfect guinea pig for this one. You have oily scalp, so you need something hydrating and not nourishing. It has that kind of texture. Then you have curly hair and you apply so many curl defining products around your curls but not close to your scalp. So बाल सूखने के बाद your curls look beautiful, gorgeous, but the hair close to your scalp look like jhadu. It will treat that issue. It has a very beautiful fragrance that smells slightly perfumey and it stays on your hair for a good amount of time. मतलब decent time तक ये last करता है. In terms of reducing hair fall issue, yes, it works if you are facing moderate issue. Severe hair fall पे ये काम नहीं करता है. Overall, take it as a maintenance purpose and not treating any severe problem. Peptide Bond Strength Leave-In Creme Serum by Dove. A hydrating gel-based moisturizer kind of texture, perfect for oily hair. If you have hair like me, curly, dry, frizzy, you need a heavy duty or little thicker serum underneath it. On its own, it won't work. ये हाइड्रेशन देगा बट इसमें उतना फैट नहीं है कि वो हाइड्रेशन आपके हेयर स्ट्रैंड में लॉक करके रखेगा. I try not to layer too many products because वो फील मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. If I use this one, then इससे पहले I try to put a heavy duty serum, and if I use it in the beginning, then I try to go on with a cream after that. Sandalwood and Oud Fig Hair Oil by DID. You can use it as a serum, but to me it's more like a dry oil that you can use almost every day. Days when you washed your hairs with shampoo as well as when you just water rinse your hair. It works the best on damp hair. Dry hair पे भी काम करता है. मैं mainly इसको अपने ends पे लगाती हूँ और जो left over रहता है ना वो ऐसे ऐसे करके मैं लगा लेती हूँ. But my husband uses it almost on alternate days because he has oily hair. And I love how his hair feels. Mainly when I finger through his hair, na, it feels like skating on ice. Silky, फिसलता है, so slippery, oily, but non-sticky. Hair perfume by Sacred Grove in Wildflower variant that smells similar to Gucci Flora. Fresh, watery bouquet of flower. Really refreshing and pretty, and I think this could be your best friend during summertime when your hair stings due to heavy sweating. And I want you to carry it inside your bag. You have to apply it multiple times because the lasting power is not that great. 2 hours to 2.5 hours. विंटर में, समर में वो बढ़ सकता है, घट भी सकता है, बट ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज इट इन अदर वेज एज वेल. यू कैन यूज इट अराउंड योर अंडर आर्म्स. It has a serum like texture, almost like water and serum, so watered down serum, and the ingredients as present here are not just good for your hair health, they are good for your skin health as well. So इसको यूज करके मुझे लगता है आप हेल्दी वे में आपके अंडर आर्म्स को परफ्यूम्ड रख सकते हैं. एंड दैट्स ऑल विथ माय टुडेज वीडियो. और मैं आशा रखती हूँ कि आपको ये अच्छा लगा. If yes, then like this video and subscribe my channel if you haven't been already. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.